Taking care of your knees with simple, low-impact exercises can help you stay mobile, independent, and active as you age. Healthy knees help support many of the everyday moments that keep us moving, like walking the dog, climbing stairs, gardening, or running errands. But over time, wear and tear, stiffness, and muscle loss can make movement more difficult. Tasks that once felt simple can start to feel more challenging. That's why knee exercises matter. Strengthening the muscles that support the knees can improve balance, increase stability, and help reduce discomfort so you can keep doing the things that matter most. Supporting knee health doesn't have to mean high-intensity workouts. Simple, low-impact exercises like walking, seated leg lifts, calf raises, and gentle squats can help keep knees flexible and strong. Even small amounts of consistent movement can make a meaningful difference in maintaining mobility over time. The goal is to make everyday movement feel easier and more comfortable for as long as possible. It's also important to listen to your body. If you notice persistent pain or stiffness that doesn't improve, talk to your doctor before starting or continuing an exercise routine. Addressing knee concerns early may help prevent more serious issues down the road. As we age, staying active is about more than exercise. It helps us maintain the freedom to live independently and stay connected to the people and moments that matter most. For more information on health and wellness, visit mutualofomaha.com.